Hello everybody, it is stream time. Video is late as per usual. Nobody is surprised. And I need to figure out what I'm doing today. And I keep not sleeping enough. But that's okay. Who needs sleep? Where should I write down my notes? Just put it here because I'm lazy. But today I want to do the elemental types on items. I want to what was the other thing? Add on I want to make the on hit effects specific to certain damage types. So for example, like salmon will probably be lightning type, so it'd be like if you deal lightning damage, it'll spawn salmon, but only if you deal lightning damage. Uh-oh, it is Bitlytic. He's here. Oh no. It's you.
Oh, it's this thing.
Yeah, so we're playing Magic on stream, right?
No, are you streaming right now?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I've got something to show you before, because I saw this and I had to check this out before stream. So you're gonna have to check this out before stream as well. Take a look at my stream.
Why are you playing Rivals?
No. It's just for a second. It's just for a second. Turn on the audio.
Turn on the audio.
Yeah. Let me know whenever you get the audio on.
I have the audio on. Let me pause my music.
Maple.
Ew.
Brag.
I don't like that.
Brag.
I don't like that. I don't like that at all.
Okay, but fun fact. So you can actually turn it off, I believe. They said they also wanted to add.
Let's go.
Yeah, they also wanted to add different announcers in the future. But I think it's so fun. You're not familiar with the announcer in Melee, are you?
Not like super familiar. I know there's an announcer, but I don't.
Olympia.
So he this guy says things in like different ways. You know, like some of them have like different amounts of like energy.
Yeah.
Loxodont.
Bro does not care.
Loxodont. And it's I feel like it's a reference to in Melee, the announcer is like Fox, Peach, Jigglypuff, and then whenever it's he goes Ganondorf.
It's kind of fire.
Yeah.
Anyways, you're evil.
All right, let me set my stream.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? You know
That's
what I'm talking
I was
about?
thinking, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm the Hidden King. Yeah, we should play Deadlock.
My music. You should be my stream if you haven't already.
I already did.
4 seconds.
I'm not stupid. Ganondork.
What?
The Ganondork.
No, dude. Ganondorf Fortress?
No, bad.
Let's see. What should my live title today be?
The 6-7 stream.
Please stop JW from 6-7, please.
No, don't. Don't do that.
Alright, there we go. You said you do have Harmony on the RuneScape soundtrack in your
Yeah, I
stream
do.
playlist? Beautiful. Beautiful. Also, you should stream if you aren't. You are. Look at that, dude.
Yeah,
Look at you go, man.
that.
Wow, dude.
Figuring out the elemental damage of being slapped with a fish. That is a good title, actually.
Ooh, you know what? You're right.
Hmm.
Slapping JW with a fish for saying 6-7.
Kind of fire.
Alright. Here's Godot. Hello, Godot. Hello, Mario. What do you got going on? What are you doing today? What's your plans? Aspirations.
Mostly making you do stuff. Just kidding.
Okay.
One,
That's what's up.
I want to change the on hit, or not the on hits, but I want to change the damage or the attacks something. I want to make the attacks have the damage types on them.
Mm-hmm.
So like
Sure.
lightning damage, things like that, so that way we can change some of the items to, like, instead of when on hit, it's like on this type of damage dealt. So like the first example that I was saying is I want the salmon to be lightning. And also added a new card, by the way. Today. Because I'm goated like that.
Is it UFO? Did you add UFO?
No, I did not. I still don't know what that's gonna do.
I don't either. How the fuck do I hide this? Hold on, I need to hide this bitch. I don't want this on my fucking thing. Never show. Fly. I don't care.
A new gun.
New gun. What in the fucking world is Blue Man?
Blue man? I don't know.
Instead of there's an entry for Bluetooth, but also Blue Man, and I don't know what the fuck is. That's weird. Is there anything else I need to open program-wise? I've got VitoTube. I've got your stream popped out. I've got Godot. I don't have your stream. I do have your stream popped out. I have.
And the other thing I want to add is a the poison effect. I want to get your help with implementing that, since
Sure.
that's something that we want.
Yeah, I think I pushed up my changes about the effect stuff a while ago. So
yeah,
that
and that
should
way
be
I can
easier
see
to
how
use
to
now.
make new effects. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
hopefully.
currently
We'll
this
find out if I
gun
did or not,
applies
but-
poison or fire on hit, which is a little ridiculous. But I think that would be fine for poison potentially, because of how
What?
we want it to. So currently this guy is at 71 fire.
Oh yeah. Okay, so there were two screens that I didn't figure out. What the fuck were they?
Is that a stapler? Now it's like a nail gun that shoots like poison darts.
Oh, I didn't pop out my fucking social blade. I'm gonna fucking cry. And I bet Discord's one of the other ones. I bet Discord never fucking
But yeah, basically
works
this
for-
will do like very little damage, but
Yes.
it'll apply like a ton of poison. And then you can like do stuff with the poison. So it like shoots
Yeah.
pretty fast, but the shots will do like maybe even less damage than they're currently doing.
Yeah.
Oh, also,
sense.
I don't know if you saw on my Discord, but I changed the cards to have white text instead of
Ooh, I kind of like that.
yeah, it's a lot more contrast. I was like talking to some people in another server and they suggested it. And I was like, yeah, that actually makes sense.
What if we gave that text an outline based on the elemental affinity of the
Absolutely
card?
not.
What?
That would look terrible.
An absolutely not is a crazy one.
It
I was
would look
thinking just
bad.
like a no, but absolutely not. It's a fucking insane one. And then of course, even though I'm the late one, I still get to blame JW a little bit because he had 15 minutes to open up the stream together, and he hasn't done that.
Well, it's because I'm shooting my gun. The
Was he
whistler,
thinking
like
my
the
order?
needler. The
Like
whistler.
the needler, like from fucking
From
Halo.
Halo? This guy has never played Halo, by the way.
That's almost true.
This guy's never
It's
played
like-
Halo ever. in his
That's like
life. Can you invite me to
95%
stream together?
true.
There we go.
Yeah,
We
I
should
can-
play Halo 3
can.
sometime.
maybe.
Halo 3
maybe.
co-op stream.
I still, dude, I wish that I never played Portal 2 co-op. Actually, let me go live before I start talking about that. All right, I'm live. Oh, my music display. Fuck, I forgot to turn on my music display. Please tell me this. I'm gonna cry if I have to close OBS and reopen it for this to work. Sometimes it does, sometimes
Should I
it
stream
doesn't.
Portal?
Hold on. Can I remove this and then undo that and then bring it back? No, dude, it's pissed.
Halo
Yay.
3 all skulls. Yeah, play on legendary.
There we go. Okay.
We can fire.
So I'm actually so sad that I played Portal 2 co-op, and I kind of wish I never did, because I think that doing a Portal 2 co-op stream with you would have been fucking hilarious, because watching you and Moaz play it was like one of the most unbelievable things of all time. Like, genuinely.
It wasn't that bad.
It was pretty bad. All right, let me show you the changes that I made really quickly. It's something simple, and it's something that's hard to see because it's like behind the scenes stuff, but
Okay.
debug messages help, so. All right, can you see my screen? Are you looking at my screen?
Unfortunately.
So if I press Q right now, nothing happens. Oh, actually, there's a little, I get a little push because I was talking to Wilson about something last night. Sorry, oopsies.
JW, you should show your cool new commander deck on stream. You're right, I should.
That's so true. Anyways, so if I add a card, AK, if we remember, AK has scaling of lightning and fire. Yeah, okay, so that was just, something is weird there, actually. What the fuck? Hold up, let me clear my deck. And then press Q. So why did that not? No, dude. Don't make me out to be a liar on stream. Fuck, I thought I fixed this.
It's over.
What? Where are you getting this from? What the hell? Wait, I actually don't understand where it's getting that from. Fork Fountain Kitchen? I'd say the ocean personally, but yeah, no, that's true.
Oh, here, let me pull up your stream chat. I'll have. So that's gonna break the.
Whoa, this looks weird with the new UI, actually. I haven't been in here since I pulled your UI changes. It's kind of fun and cool, though.
What is the? Oh yeah, that. Yeah, there's some weird stuff, but it's definitely better.
Yeah, it's because it's panels inside
Yeah.
panels. Oh shit, let me unbind that. Unbind. And then if I clear the deck. So physical stats 0 if I had AK. So lightning stats 1, physical fire stats 1 if I clear my deck. Hopefully, there we go, it's 0 and 0 if I add AK, Op, and Beehive, which are fire, lightning, fire, and poison. Boom, you can see that it adds those up. And then if I add pistol or rusty pistol, which is physical, you can see that it adds 1 physical. Apparently there's a bug that I don't know where the fuck that's coming from, but I'll figure it out probably, potentially.
And is that that's like that's the affinity, right? That's separate from the damage.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. And so that is actually defined inside of the cards now, which is what I'm going to push up, which is why I told you to push up your changes earlier.
Yeah.
Is because under elemental scaling, there is also the elemental types. And so I could set this to a different value here if I wanted to.
Okay, yeah.
If you ever wanted to have multiple of that, like if I add a new AK, this should make my lightning go up by 2. Right now it's 1. It didn't. Why?
You might have to restart, right?
I might, yeah. I didn't think I would have to because it's a dictionary that's already defined, but I guess I do.
Probably.
Yeah, I don't know. Also, yeah, you're never
you're
looking at that
saying,
down, Moaz. Sorry.
I started playing Magic tonight, even though I told Axel I was gonna play Gamble with your friends.
You're like kind of evil.
Yeah.
Talking to you is a gamble on whether or not you're gonna have a good time. Odds are 99 to 1 that you won't.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, so there we go. It's 2 lightning, 1 fire, which is what's scaled here. Which I'll push this up in a second. Was there something else that I did? Miscellaneous testing for stuff. There's an issue which I'm actually gonna write down because it's a mostly tiny
Do
issue.
the items have
probably.
types, or is it just the cards right now?
They do not have types currently, but I'll add that.
That's fine.
With it. Oh wait, actually, no, they do. Sorry, you keep saying item, and for some reason that didn't hit my mind correctly. They do have types. It won't affect your affinity. I'll fix the affinity and then I'll
Okay.
do that. Let me make today's to-do list. Today is June 2nd. Happy Pride Month. The 2nd, everybody.
Meow.
Pride 2nd. And then small bugs. Menu to game to menu to game. Causes tiniest memory leak. And I actually don't know where that's coming from, but I'll just show you this for completeness sake. So currently the game has 2469 nodes, 14701 objects, resources, but you don't even know the exact numbers. But basically these are the numbers in the graph. So if I go to the main menu and then back to the level and then back to the menu, back to the level, I'll wait a few seconds this time. Back to the menu and then back to the level. Effectively, every time it goes from the level to the menu back to the level, there's like the smallest increase in resources. Or not resources. Resources are the same, but there's the smallest increase in objects.
Interesting.
And I'll need to figure out where that's coming from. I think I have an idea of it. I'm pretty sure I know where it's coming from. And I'll actually just write down that probably navigation objects. They need to be cleaned up, probably. But it's like, it's such a minuscule amount. It's like reloading the main scene like 4 times, added like 50 objects. So it's nothing out of the 14,000. But worth mentioning. All right, let me go to the item class. It's item resource. That's not right. Relic resource, which turns into relic instance. And here's the one that I care about. Do we want it to be so that, I'm assuming the answer is yes. If Zoomies gives you lightning affinity, if you have 2 Zoomies, it gives you 2 lightning affinity.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. From relic, add level, modify level.
Can you turn on shared chat, by the way?
Oh yeah. You could also click the button, can't you?
No, I literally can't. I don't think. I'm pretty sure
Oh,
only
you
the
really
person
can't?
hosting can.
Is there a way for me to make you like
Nope, you can't. Nope, there's no way to. I'm sorry.
higher? Yeah, probably not.
What's Twitch? Do you really think you can like do anything?
Can you do me a favor? Can you look at the stream or the shared chat window? Are you able to enable it now?
Where would I do that?
Like the shared chat that you joined on Twitch.tv.
Oh, the shared
/
chat
whatever.
window. Oh, that's what you. Yeah, you said
Mhm.
shared chat window. Yeah. Where do I?
Hit Control R to refresh the page first before you try to do
Control
anything.
R.
Yeah. It looks like this on my It looks like this on my screen. There's a start sharing chat button. I don't know if this is like hidden by default.
Where? No, I don't see it. Oh wait. I see shared chat. Hosts can enable shared chat.
Just hosts. Damn.
Yep.
I also
Yep.
found something
I'll
really
never
cool.
be able to do it.
Yeah, I enabled it, but I saw something really cool, which was if I take a look at mod actions, I can see all of the shared chat being enabled in here.
That's very funny.
Yeah. All right. So relics, getting levels. I actually don't remember the exact flow of what functions are called and where in relics. Okay, not that one. It is called here. Do I have to do... I don't remember if I have to do commas for a set function in... I think I did though. I don't remember the syntax for a setter function in Godot. It's weird and embarrassing. How the fuck do you do a set function in Godot again? Is it not just set val? It totally is. Is it because I need like a... Hold on, I need to go look at the getters and setters syntax then. Because I don't know how to define a multiple, like a getter, and setter.
I'm drinking Baja Blast. Sorry.
No, it's okay, mostly. Ah, I see. The setter and getter must use the same notation. That's unfortunate. Ah, man. So I can't do something like set levels used differently than the thing. Stop drinking Booty Blast.
But it's so yummy.
You would say that. Hey, am I like smoking crack? Is this not how this works? Hmm? What? It's like that works. Okay, I guess GGScript was just pissed about something for some reason. Whatever. Who cares? Okay, so that actually doesn't get called the second that the level gets, or that the thing gets created. Is there a... Oh, oh, I guess I would do this inside of base relic, actually, right? I would do this in here, which would be something like apply stats or something like that. Okay, that gets called correctly. That's beautiful. Which means the update level can also have... What are you attempting to do? GW.
What? No, let me cook.
What are you attempting to do right now?
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Let me cook. Don't
Okay,
let me
sure.
cook.
I'll let you cook. so I can get. So one of the new classes that you'll maybe want to care about.
Oop, why did it switch me
is
back to my other guy?
oh, lol.
There we go.
One of the new classes you're probably going to want to care about is the Stat Affinity class.
Stat affinity class. Okay.
Yeah. So what this does is it just has a list of the affinities, and you can do something like
Yeah, it doesn't look very.
affinities dot get affinity level, and you can pass in something like fire stat here, and it will return the level of the player's affinity with it, or
Okay,
whatever
cool.
this is attached to.
Mm-hmm.
What are you trying to do? What do you need help with?
Wait.
Okay.
I realized something. Ah. Oh, I see something. Why is it doing that? Whatever I get up.
What do you need help with? What's the?
I'm trying to add your sketchy outline thing to this number, but it's not working. I can just use like the built-in outline and it'll look bad.
What did I even do with? I don't remember what I did to make the. I think the reason that it's probably not working is because I only have the sketchy outline doing the thing in ready.
Oh, do you?
Maybe not. I don't fucking know. Mm-hmm. No. Finished is a signal that's part of text. That means every time it gets updated, it'll.
Oh, so this
re-render.
doesn't actually do anything. Apparently.
No, it does.
Does it? Oh, is this in? Oh,
Yep.
This is part of rich text label. Oh, okay, I see.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. That is called every single time that
yeah.
it gets re-rendered.
I think the weird thing with this. Let me zoom.
It's probably the fact that text label size thing was
Nice.
set specifically. Nice. Yeah, specifically for
Yeah.
the card. You hit the debug camera button.
Yeah, see, it's doing weird stuff.
Yeah, so there is a label. It's just like small.
Yeah.
I think. It's also.
Yeah, because now the text is going. It's doing weird stuff. Yeah.
Oh, it wasn't a smart label before. So go to the scene.
Yeah.
And set the max size to larger.
Oh, the max size to larger. Okay.
Mm. Oh, yeah.
512.
Does it
That's
say
all
minus
this could be.
512 or what does it say?
That's 512.
Oh. Change the size of I don't know, something like 256 or some shit. I don't know.
This.
Yeah.
Max size.
Set the min size to I don't know, a little bit larger, I guess. Like 64 maybe. Yeah, that's fine.
That's not gonna update, is it?
It might.
Nah, it won't.
Sure doesn't. Mhm. Oh, you know what? Can you? Is any of X rendering correctly?
Hmm? It's rendering. It's just like behind there, and it's weird. So if you look really closely,
Yeah, I can see
this
that
one
there's an
is
outline,
like
but
vertical,
there's nothing
there's like an
actually
outline in the
rendering.
background.
It's not actually rendering too wide anywhere, is it? Like the outline isn't, and neither is the text in the front.
It's not what?
Nothing. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I'm trying. Well, I didn't hear what you said.
None of that is rendering too wide, is it?
Rendering too wide? No.
Like two numbers side to side. They're like the outline isn't rendering too wide. They're both the outline and the white is rendering. Completely
The
vertically
outline
right.
does look slightly wider.
Yeah, that's because
But
it should
not
be
by a
offset
lot.
an amount. Yeah. Yeah, I'd say don't worry about it. I can make something that's better if we want to use that in
I'd say
other places.
make something better, and I can just use the other outline for right now.
Yeah.
Because that looks fine when it's small enough resolution.
Hey Bond, how's it going? Progress is going well. We've changed. We're doing some scaling stuff now instead of just like numbers that exist on the weapons, so that we have stats that will actually scale the damage of certain weapons. Relics will add certain stats to you, like elemental stuff. Is this?
Oh, that's really
do
funny.
what
It
I want?
cuts that off if the size is too small.
Okay, I will actually have to reload this. That sucks. Whatever. Dude, it's so fucking hot. I hate it. It's gross. Gross out. Why is this not... Am I going insane? Or like... Oh, ammo can doesn't... What? Why the fuck not? Ammo can?
What does it
Ammo
do?
bag? Ammo can?
What are you looking for?
I don't think this is the right function. This is used in a couple of places that probably shouldn't be.
Meow.
I think we have a better function for this, right? We have, yeah, on level changed is the one that should be used.
Yeah, that looks fine.
Sorry, there's a message in my chat that I have to mentally prepare myself for. That I'll have to read it in a second. I don't even think my brain is ready to comprehend the words that have been thrown at me.
It's over for you.
Okay, that looks like that works. Okay, so physical stats 1 if I add another ammo can, physical stats 2 if I remove ammo can, physical stats 0. Yay. Okay, Alright, sorry, that title is sure a title. It is. Haven't been best with trying to maintain yourself and keep doing some stuff. In some ways better, some ways worse. Life is crazy. Yeah, life is fucking insane how much things just change so quickly. Like the last couple months have been a little bit calmer than I expected, because I think the months before that were like really busy. Like especially the month that JW, or like whenever JW and I went to PAX. But yeah, are you a Jonah of VeggieTales movie 9 of I bit? I don't All right, let's look up some birds. Okay, so what is Ninevite again? It's some like religious thing, right?
Maybe I think so.
Actually, you should know. What's a Ninevite?
I don't know.
It's a native or inhabitant of Nineveh, the ancient capital of Assyria. Okay, sure. Glad that sent me actually dictionary.com instead of some AI bullshit. Okay, Jonah, a VeggieTales movie. I've actually never watched VeggieTales.
That's crazy.
Is it crazy? Have you
it's
watched
not that
VeggieTales?
crazy. Of course I have.
Of course you have. They showed you that at conversion camp.
All right.
Let's see. All right, so that works. And then I can do player.
The VeggieTales is low-key kind of fire.
All right, buddy. You're not convincing me.
You don't like animated vegetables?
No, I don't
okay.
like animated vegetables.
That's fair.
In Jonah, a VeggieTales movie, the Ninevites
each
slap
their
each other with
own.
fishes instead of like murdering each other. Holy shit. So you're telling me they represented like the Crusades with slapping each other with fish? Holy shit. Okay, I may be wrong, JW. Maybe this is goated.
It's like kind of hilarious.
Again, I don't believe you, but I'm glad you feel that way.
To be
All right,
fair, I
time
haven't
for
seen
me.
any of it either in like probably like 10 years, so it might suck.
Not their Crusades, bro. This is like way earlier. I don't fucking know, man. It's been like many years since I've opened a Bible. I ain't
This guy
reading
has
that.
65 fire on him.
Wogue. Did you update any? Never mind. If you updated, I'll find out. It'll tell me to be like, there are merge conflicts. How do you want to resolve this conflict? with this
120
PNG?
fire, but it still says that I only have 95 TPS. Oh, interesting. Oh, I also added a toggle for like casings on the guns now, so since this one doesn't have them, obviously.
Yeah. You're finally getting really good at 3D modeling furries, but your drawing skills need to catch up a lot. I'm happy for you, man.
Uh-oh, AI viewers, AI viewers.
Oh, is there an AI viewers message? Oh
Get
my
'em.
god, dude. AI viewers is so lame. I can't even ban them because you deleted their message, so I have to type in /ban with their fucking username. Join
didn't-
Twitch today? What do you mean join Twitch today?
I didn't delete their message, I banned them.
Yeah, it deletes their message, but no, it
Nice.
fucking logged me out of Twitch on my fucking OBS. Bastard. Bastard program. That's bastard website.
See how I would remove DPS on us. What if we just multi-shot? Hold up.
Okay. Fuck it, I'll push these up, who cares? Anything here that needs to be cleaned up? The answer is no. Anything in here that needs to be cleaned up? The answer might be a yes, but I think the answer is no. Looks like a no to me. 3D furry Metroidvania gonna go hard, man. I'm sure it will. I don't doubt that. I'm sure that people will be all over that shit. Let's see. Default multiplier 0. What? No, that's probably right. Card instance has this affinity thing on it now. Yep,
2000
correct.
DPS.
These are correct. Base stat now has a stat icon. Yup. What the fuck is in here? Oh yeah, the code change. Yeah. Okay. Tiniest movement driver change, and we'll see if you bitch about it. You might. You might not. I don't know. We'll find out. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, so that
We
if
need
you
to
run
make
into
like
it,
a gun that you can like shoot yourself around with. It like shoots really fast. And as you're,
yeah,
like,
you've
running
talked about
along.
this before.
What?
You've talked about this before.
Did I?
Yeah, like the one from Gungeon. I don't remember what it is, but it's like it's like a big gun that whenever you shoot it like flies you backwards, and it shoots hella fast.
Maybe it's that one, yeah. There's that one gun in Genshin that's like not really a gun where it just shoots like a little flame and like sends you flying. It's basically just like a rocket engine.
It might be that, but I
I hate
think
that
there's
one
a
so
gun
much
that
because
does
it's
that.
so hard to get near. Like, it does a ridiculous amount of damage, but it's impossible to hit anything with it.
Yeah. You know what I'm talking about?
Maybe.
Maybe. Let's just say. Sorry.
Oh, I forgot to send out my stream announcement. There's my stream announcement, guys. There's 2 more bots in my chat.
Here, what chat?
My, oh no, it's just 2 messages from the same one in Twitch chat.
Where? When? Oh,
in
is
my
it?
chat? They're in my
Oh,
chat.
it was restricted, I see.
They're literally in my chat right now.
Yeah, it's restricted though, so it
Yeah,
didn't
but-
show up as like an actual message.
Yeah, but they're in my chat.
No, they're not. They weren't allowed to be in your chat. There's a notification for it in your chat, but they aren't in your chat.
They're in my chat.
Oh god, I forgot about this. I'll not touch this card. No, don't commit that, don't commit that, don't commit that. I'm sure you've touched that. I'm sure you've added something, and I want to go back and fix it after it's been mangled to shit.
Wait, what are you, what for what?
The card composite, where you're adding the icons,
Yeah.
and you have an if check for every
Don't worry about it.
icon type. And you're like incrementing a number or something.
Yeah.
Delicate image string. I don't remember what that was for. Oh yeah, no, I do remember what that was for. It's the scaling that's in here that I added that I forgot was here. Player data. This is the default. Dissolve shader has no change. Dissolve has no change. Pack open has some change, but doesn't matter. This does matter. Actually, I will push this up. It doesn't matter because it's not being used anywhere. This all of changes that matter? I think it is. All right. Bunch of elemental typing and affinity. I'm gonna commit it, and then it's gonna bitch, and it's gonna be like, there are unresolved merge conflicts. There's no fucking way there are no merge conflicts. There's no fucking way. Holy. Really? Oh my god. There are no merge conflicts. I didn't close Godot though, so it's gonna be a little
What?
upset, and I'm gonna have to restart it. But what? It is only slightly upset? I will still have to restart it, probably. Might as well. I gotta be right about something. Alright, sorry, let me catch up. Recently learned how to make your own state machines. Got so good at sculpting, you can make a block out in a day, and it takes 2 days to finalize each model down with animation, ABR, and procedural materials and stuff. Honestly, the procedural stuff is like probably the thing that I care about the most in Blender. I think like geometry nodes and like really cool shader things are so fun to work with in Blender. Currently learning about behavior trees, but again, don't want to complicate enemy AI because it's not worth it. That's true. You probably don't want that in a Metroidvania either, unless it's maybe the boss, but honestly, no. I think the boss should just be like telegraphed, and instead of making it like a complicated AI, make it a simple AI, but you know, I don't know. I don't actually know how to describe the feeling that I have of like, you should just make it, you can make it like hard and unforgiving, but it shouldn't be like complicated AI.
Yeah.
But yeah, implemented movement abilities, quality of life stuff to make it smooth. Fire. How long have you been working on it? And what's the end goal? Are you just, you're like, make a Metroidvania, or is there something specific that you're like, I want to do this as a Metroidvania, I want to make this thing? Cards, usable, Act 47. Did you change anything about this? I hope not.
Did I change what?
Nothing, don't worry about it.
Okay,
I
I'm
got
not
it,
worried
buddy.
about it.
I'm gonna go through before you pull changes, and I'm just gonna... I'm going to press the button in here that copies all of the damage scalings over to the elemental types, so that...
You have a button for that?
Yep, I just made a button so that if there are damage scalings and you just want to copy them over to elemental types, you press it and it automatically adds it with a 1.0 value.
Okay.
It's like you added needle gun, but you
Yeah.
didn't have the this dictionary wasn't populated. So if you look, I can click copy scaling the types, and now it has poison stat with a affinity of 1.
Kind of fire. Yeah, I'll probably go through and remove like all the secondary ones because I think it'll be very rare for them to have 2 types. They might scale off of 2 things, but
Yeah. Can I search for copy? Oh my god, I can. I can do copy scaling, and I can go just like bonk, 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 bonk. I don't think I can press this button on multiple of these now. That sucks, but whatever. I wonder if resource tables allows me to press the button. That would actually be really cool, which is why I don't think it's gonna happen. No, it doesn't look like it. Tragic. I could also make like a, I mean, not that we're going to be doing this super often. Honestly, I was going to say I could just make like a thing that goes through and just runs that function on all of them, but this is probably just a one-off thing that won't need to happen more than this because
Yeah.
it's being added. All right, so let's see how much change that is. There are like, oh, really? Okay, so there are certain ones that just didn't have any types before, and now they do. Hooray. All right. Automatic elemental typing. Yay. All right, and I'll push this up. And
Okay.
you are good to pull. So that stuff should be in there.
Yay!
Yippee. All right, let me close all tabs, close all scripts, and then I will look at your messages bond. All right. Got ladders dashing while running, while jumping. Water, climbing up ledges, and experimental bounce jump, which is just if you fall down from high enough and land, holding jump input, you bounce back, up, higher jump. So far it's been a month. You've been liking the vibe of Metroid a ton. You felt it could use nicer movement mechanics and be dynamic. Have you played Ori and the Blind Forest? Because if you haven't, you totally should. Or at least you should, I don't know, watch something of it. Watch someone play it. Because that game is one of my favorite Metroidvanias, for sure.
And this guy hates Metroidvanias.
That's not true. I don't know where that one came from.
Yeah, you've literally told me that you hate them, but okay.
Name one Metroidvania that I hate.
Hollow Knight?
Not a Metroidvania.
It is. What is
Nope.
it then? It literally is. So we're just making stuff up
It's
now.
it's a game where you get lost. And that's it.
Alright.
That's it. That's all it is. Oh, you can probably accept just yours on that one. It looks like I guess you pushed. Oh wait, what?
It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine.
Yeah,
I
okay.
can fix whatever it was. I think it was just the elemental something.
Yeah, for the SMG, because I think
Yeah.
it had all the types on it whenever I committed it.
Okay, so where do we want to handle like
pretty
as you increase the affinity, it like gives you buffs. Where should we handle that?
Let me get a blanket really quickly because it's now a little bit cold.
Bro, need his blankie.
Okay, sorry. So whenever you increase your affinity, it gives you buffs.
Yeah.
I believe that, excuse me, that would probably be best to be handled either in player data or player stats. Which I can do. So player data has a register player function, which creates a stats thing, and then inside of stats know about, what the hell is this?
Oh, I see. When you
Stat
added
instance.
the elemental
Hmm?
scaling, it added like all of them.
What do you mean I added all of them?
I think. Wait, no. Elemental scaling. I want to add poison. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah,
Okay.
for the types, right?
Yeah, because before you copied it over, and I think on your end it had like a bunch of
Yeah, it
types
had like
on
4 of them.
it. Yeah, which it no longer has.
And what is that for? Is that SMG?
Yeah.
Can I ask why SMG is poison, not lightning?
Because I'm like really stupid.
That's okay.
And I clicked
I
on
was
the wrong
curious.
one.
Let's see. Today alone, you added 2 new projectile upgrade levels. Let you build projectile trajectory
I
stacks.
can use the resource tables for this.
You can combine those to make a project. Good luck. You can combine those to make a projectile go in a spiral trajectory while affected by gravity. That's cool. What are you using the resource tables add-on for? Just curious.
For changing the damage scaling. Oh.
No, you aren't.
Okay, yeah, it's a little annoying.
Yeah, it's because it's a dictionary of the script like type.
I need
But
a
you
new
can
mouse.
search.
Scroll wheel does not work very well.
Yeah, you can favorite the property.
Favorite the property?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What does that do?
Oh, that weird. Maybe it doesn't work on custom properties actually. What the fuck? Wait, hold on.
Oh wait.
Oh, I guess it doesn't. Oh yeah, I can't favorite invalid property if it was from a script. Oh, I see. You could also just search at the thing. You could do like scaling, and then that'll only show the thing.
Oh yeah, that's smart.
Yeah, only somewhat. Yeah, I mean it may be worth it to make these a little bit more.
Wait, why is...
What is the word I'm looking for? What'd you say?
AK is lightning and fire. I thought it was supposed to be physical and fire.
I don't think so. It was always lightning and fire on my end, I think. It may have been that I like overwrote the number or the thing with lightning fire.
You might have, that's fine. It will be fire type.
Holy shit. I need to take a screenshot of this so that you can see it as well. I looked over on my left monitor. This is your Discord screen share.
What? Why does it look like that?
Because you have terrible internet.
No, I don't. Don't follow.
This was your
be mean
Discord
to my
screen share
internet.
just a second ago.
Don't be mean to my internet.
The Discord screen isn't moving. Like, there's nothing big moving on your screen. There's no reason for it to go shit mode, but it went shit mode.
Well, there's nothing I can do about it. So.
Yeah. So one thing that I was like, maybe I could do is I could maybe serialize this a little bit better so that...
Is that like a like Magic together and like serialized cards? Like,
why the fuck do you know about serialized cards? Oh my god, you need to be stopped, I think.
sorry.
No, it's not like serialized
Why
cards.
is the possible mod 6-7 on this one? It's kind of fire.
It's because the bits for 64, 1 and 2 are set. Which is bits 1, 2, and 8? Let me see. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Bit 7. It's 7, 2, and 1. I have not used the behave add-on. I don't know how it is. It doesn't matter. But your screen share went back to shit for a second, which was very cool.
That is very
behave. Cool. Behavior tree AI for Godot engine. Maybe I have seen this actually. What was the other one? Oh my god, there was a... If I look up behavior tree... It might have been behavior or behave. Limbo AI. That was the other one. This is the other one that I've heard of that people have recommended, which does a whole lot of behavior tree and state machine stuff. I really hate I hate that my first thought whenever I'm seeing these names, because it mentions AI, is I'm like, people might see this and think that it's like generative AI, which pisses me off. Because there's even a chance that they could ever missee it as that. It's so sad. I wish that we didn't have the word AI for generative whatever bullshit.
Yeah.
Wait, artificial intelligence isn't made to describe the product. It's made to describe the fucking customers who use things like ChatGPT. Wait a minute. That actually makes a lot more sense now. Okay, so what did you need from me? You wanted me to do the stat increases or something? Or was there something with UI? Was there something with...
So, yes, that was one thing. The things that I'd written down were elemental types on items, and then damage types on hit. So if a card is a certain elemental type, its attacks will have that elemental type. So that way we can do like on elemental type hit.
So the items currently have elemental types. The only one that has one, also, I guess I was gonna say if you press Q, but that's not true anymore. The relics do have elemental types on them. If you want to do something with that.
Okay.
So the same way that the cards do. So like if you were to go to like ammo bag or whatever, like relic ammo bag.
The other cool thing is I really like how the tags like in just the right spot that you can just see all of them.
It is really nice, yeah.
So it's like, oh, I want to... I mean, obviously here it's a little difficult, but like it's pretty easy to tell what you have.
Yeah. Even when I shake this soggy croissant, you don't know why. Cuteness aggression or something. So let me go
whatever
ahead.
The opposite of that is.
Yeah, right, bud. So if I go to attack, how do we want to do this? I'm thinking. We have attack type in here for some reason. I don't 100%.
That's from a long time ago. That is outdated and ancient.
No,
I mean,
this item that I added.
Is that new? Okay.
Yeah, this is a new one. I wonder if I could get a git flame add-on. That'd be fucking sick. Tragic. I also really wish that I wish that plugins could be like client-sided, because we have editor plugin support, I'm pretty sure. Like inside of here we have like the config for Godot stuff. Like I'm fairly certain you could put plugins here. I just don't know why we don't. Editor data folder, mayhaps. Or no, this is the one. Yeah.
There we go. Now cards
Somewhere,
only
like,
have one type.
Oh, I just closed the thing. What'd you say?
Auto turret not? Fix that. These all now
Why
only.
does auto turret not have one?
Because I must have broken something accidentally.
I don't understand how. Wait, what? Laser pointer doesn't either. Wait, no. Laser pointer doesn't. Neither does SMG. It's pulling from damage scaling still, I think, right?
No, it's not. I literally just changed that. That's what I changed.
Oh, you just changed it, lol.
Maybe I forgot to change one of them or something. No, it should be fine. I'm guessing I just messed up something like in their resources. So what was it? SMG. I don't know which one's which. I mean, these all look fine.
I mean, just like it's Control P for SMG, brother. That's like way faster than.
Oh, SMG card. I mean, yeah, it has elemental. It has lightning.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do
not
something.
all. It's only some of them that don't have lightning, which is weird.
Are there ones with? Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah.
That's the plugin error.
Yeah, I assume so.
Can you go to
the AK was the other broken one. This is fire.
How about
stat.
Is it because you haven't reopened the game since you changed it?
I'm pretty sure I did.
Try try relaunching the game and see if that fixes it. If not, just add one of them and see if it's always like part SMG.
Yeah.
card menu, or no, is it called deck menu? Deck debug? Debug. Card debug. Cards debug. There you are. I found you. Nope, I didn't. I lied. Debug menu.
Well, let's hop on tabletop. Oh, there we go. Now, oh no, AK's showing up. Oh, it's auto
has
turret.
fire.
That wasn't. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see if I add an auto turret. Yeah, it doesn't have a type on there. Let's see you. It has lightning stat and
Does it?
yes.
Oh, okay. I'm going off of what I see here, and it's a little hard to tell what the error is. I won't lie to you.
From where? Huh?
If you look at my screen, I'm trying to look for the error on your screen, and it's very hard to see.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, I think so.
This is lightning stat, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Lightning stat has lightning. Elemental type stat has lightning stat. Yes.
So do me here. Let's do this. Do this the smart way. Go back to the game. Shift R CC. All right, close the menu. Or I guess you could also add card, add auto turret. Close that. Don't open the pause menu. Go to the thing and add a breakpoint.
Here?
Like scroll up where it's checking for lightning stat.
It's right
like,
here.
Literally anywhere in there. Literally anywhere there's fine. It'll stop on all of them. No, not there, because we know it's not hitting that if
you
check.
said literally everywhere, so.
Yeah, literally any of the if checks. Like, on a line that has code, preferably. I guess I shouldn't have said literally anywhere.
You said literally anywhere. I don't know.
Of the better spots.
I don't know where I'm supposed to put it.
Okay, so go ahead and pause the game, and it should hit breakpoint.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so before you do anything, so we are currently about to update things shown. So if you go ahead and find the variable instance inside of the members, whatever, or yeah, you could also use the search thing to look for instance.
Instance is here.
Yeah, you found it. Yep, click on that, and then go to the card field, which should be probably somewhere in there. Okay. Yes, it does. So go ahead and go to the. I'm gonna put you on screen. Go to the evaluator tab in the debugger. Yep. And then go ahead and copy the instance.card.elemental types, like the code that you've where your breakpoint is.
Oh.
Yep. All of that up to has. Yeah, and then just remove the has because I meant like, yeah.
Oh.
And then hit enter and see what it does. Hopefully it doesn't continue executing. It did. Cool. Can you go back to the evaluator? Did it show anything cool?
No.
No? Okay. Well, I can't see your screen now. Shit. Okay, so let's go ahead and you can go ahead and hit continue, so never mind. We can do this the other way, which is probably the better way. So if you...
This is broken now.
Yeah, it's because it's, I need to get rid of that. It's a class that's not being used. You can probably just restart the game. And then instead of a breakpoint, you could probably just console.print the elemental types from the card. All right. Sorry, let me look at chat. Sorry to ask about not the game. No problem. Are you on Gnome right now? So I don't have a problem with you asking things not about the game. I do have problems with you asking about Gnome. I'm not on Gnome. I hate Gnome. Thanks for asking. I'm just kidding. I am not on Gnome. I do not like Gnome. I think Gnome is decent. Like, I mean, I think Gnome works for game dev. I have a friend who likes Gnome, and they haven't reported any issues with it. I think Godot works with it. I'm personally on KDE Plasma.
This guy
and
hates
I
GNOME,
think
by
it
the way.
is very good. What? What did you say, JW?
I said this guy hates GNOME, by the way. Why is this not printing?
This is true.
It's just not printing to the console.
Do you have any cards that are in your inventory currently?
Yeah. Oh, now it is. Oh, I guess I didn't save it, maybe.
Yeah. So like clear all of them.
Yeah.
Or like clear your deck and then just the one. At least you're properly prototyping this time around. Great rocks. That's fun. Honestly, if you have a game where you can run around in the, everybody says this, but if you can just like run around and just like move, that's very fun. Like just in like an empty level like this, I have fun just jumping up here onto the cat tree. Sorry, what'd you say, JW?
I'm so confused. So when I open it, it says lightning, physical, and doom. And then when I click on it,
you add a self to the thing.
Oh.
Oh no, I know where that is. Never mind. That's fine.
What?
That's the other page.
Oh yeah. So
Yeah. So whenever you click on it, yeah. So what's happening whenever you're clicking on it is it's re-rendering that card on the right side of the page, which is why when you click on it, it shows you what
Did you
it's
say this
printing
one?
as. No, it's fine. You can get rid of that. I was gonna say self comma so that you can see what card is printing its types.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, that means that it sees that it has no types, which is weird. And I don't get it. Let me see if it... You know what? I could just do this on my side and see if it's broken. It's not. I don't know what you did. What does yours look like? What?
What are you printing out?
I'm not printing out shit. I just have the thing on my... Oh, actually, I didn't.
Yeah,
you changed that.
Yeah, that's because that's pulling it from the scaling, not from the elemental types.
So what did you do to change this? Did you...
I literally just changed where it says damage scaling
this?
to elemental type.
Okay.
So yeah, you could just print elemental types there. If you could literally just do the same thing where you print instance that card elemental types to see if it's doing the same thing. I'll shoot my needle gun while I wait.
So you're just printing out, right? You're just doing card dot elemental types?
Yep.
Lol. That's fun. Mine works.
Okay.
Can you go to your... Do you have a VS Code open?
No.
That's okay. Go to Godot. Go to Godot. Go to your auto turret card thing. And then can you open it in the external editor? I believe the top button up there, like under where it says inspector, one of those top buttons should be show in file system. Yeah. And then you can right click and open external.
Okay.
All right. So if you go to the elemental types, what you got? Nothing.
Nothing. It's just not there.
How you got nothing?
There's literally nothing.
Go back to the editor.
Maybe I don't need to reload it.
Code. Yeah, I don't.
It has.
Weird. Just press the button. Press the button. Or maybe did you restart the project after pulling the changes?
That's weird. When
It is weird.
Reset it, it goes back to lighting stat.
Yeah. Did you reopen the project once you pulled the changes?
Yeah. I mean, I can try it again.
Yeah, if you don't mind. All right, let me add.
That's just really weird. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. You're still concerned how well you do with environments. You plan on practicing that soon and get good. And get good.
Environments are easy.
I think that was the response to something I said, maybe.
Just kidding, I don't know.
Another tough thing to figure out, it could be IK.
Speaking of, I wanna make some IK spiders that scurry around.
In this game?
Yeah.
Okay.
And by
so what
I
you're
want to
saying
make is I want to make you do it.
Biddy, can you
I'm just kidding.
IK spider it?
It could be fun. We don't have to, but
Yeah. Oh, I should actually. Fuck. I should make this a little bit more safe because this might accidentally make it to production, and if it does, I don't want this to crash the game. It might.
yeah,
there, I'm
it
not
might
sure.
be smart. Hard auto turret.
Return back trace.
Yeah, there we go. Now
Returns-
there's nothing in the elemental type here, so
Okay,
must
sick.
just be
Yeah, it might have just been like some caching thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Meow. Yep. Yep.
Get frame. Oh. Does this return 0 or does this return an error? It might. I'm not sure. All right, cool. So that should be at least null safe. So I want to add attack types because you mentioned attack types. Do we want that? Let me think for the right way to ask this. Do we want attack types to be a binary on and off, or do we want them to be this attack is X amount lightning?
It is just a binary on and off.
It's just a binary on and off?
Yes,
Okay.
100%.
Do you promise?
Yes, I promise.
Okay. I don't know if I believe you, but that's okay. Either way, it wouldn't be actually that hard to change, but... Oh, actually, haha, I have something really cool that I would like to tell you about whenever you're done with your issues that get fixed hopefully soon. If you want to remove the console, you can hit tilde and it'll make it a
No.
small console, but okay.
But ta-da, look, they all have a type except for slot machine, because slot machine is untyped.
Whoa.
And they all only have one type.
Whoa. That's sick.
I do like the
Um,
damage display over here.
Yeah. 0% lightning display damage.
Oh, which one was that?
Spray bottle.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
I forget what I said. Oh yeah, this is gonna add wet status effect.
Yeah. Okay, can you do me a favor? Because I want to show you something cool.
Mm-hmm.
So, can you go to the file called stat_affinity? Or I guess I could show this off to you as well. Never mind.
No, I'm doing it.
Okay, well, I'll go there anyways because I'm not sharing your screen, so
Grrr.
I want to talk about it. So, this file makes use of a new script type that is probably going to be used quite a bit more over the project, which is int property. As you can see, like on line 5, on line 8.
Okay.
Int property. So if you take a look at that, it is basically the same as our base property class that we were using, except this one is specifically for ints.
Okay, that makes sense.
There's also a bool property, which is the same except it's boolean. And then the same as our base property from before, there's float property.
Why is get name say return?
Because if you ever want to make something have a name and you haven't made it a custom property thing, like it should be obvious that it doesn't have a name.
Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah. But yeah, so the stat affinities are actually a dictionary of they what is the word? They associate a stat type with an int property. So what happens is whenever you assign, like if you have a card that gives you fire affinity, it will grab your current affinities, which is this class, and then it will try to get your affinity for fire. If that doesn't exist, it will create a new int property. And one of the parameters, or I guess the only parameter in the constructor, is the default value. So this can be defined at like whenever we want. So like, for example, if we wanted your default affinity to be 20, we could do that. And then it will add its own affinity to that via this. It also has the ability to remove itself from all stats. So like if a card has 8 affinities somehow, and then you get rid of the card, it can just say remove me from all of your stats, or you can say remove it from a specific affinity. And this will probably get used quite a bit throughout the project now. I'm actually a really big fan of it. It's already being used in one place, which is, I mean, other than a stat affinity, it was already used in the new effect system. So for example, fire... what was it? Is it player fire handler? Yes, maybe. Hold on. I don't remember where the fuck it is, actually. Lol. Full property. Here it is. So in the base effect handler, there's an isActive, which uses a bool property, which is just like if you're in a fire area, that would be set to true. So that if you have multiple overlapping fire areas, they will all be like, yeah, we're setting this to true. And then if you step out of them,
Oh, that's smart.
one by one, they will go away. And then once there are none of them, it will be set to false.
That's smart, yeah. I was confused at first of like, why the heck would a bool property be useful?
Yeah, because it's like
that kind of makes sense.
It's also set up in such a way that this bool property can be treated either by default, it's an OR across all of the booleans. So if any of them are true, then the output value is true. Or you can set it to all of them have to be true. So an AND. You can also set it that by default it's true. And if any of them are false, it's set to false. Or you can set it so that all of them have to be false for it to be set to false. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So it's things like this I think are cool because it kind of lets us do a little bit more with the base property system without having to make each one of them a new class. Like we don't have to say, okay, this has to be a new class of this property type. We can say this, we just have an array of fucking int properties or bool properties or, you know, whatever. Just because we have so many things that can influence properties that I think having ways to interact with that on like a more macro level is very nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just wanted to let you know about that.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the attacks, which is just attack types.
Okay.
Are you okay with it calling it attack types? Would we rather call the attacks? Would you rather be called like elemental types? Or...
No, I think attack type is fine.
Okay. Well, it's gonna be attack types, but yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, what did I have on my list? Elemental types and items add damage type on hits. That's stuff for you. So what am I doing?
You wanted to do poison stuff at some point. I don't know if you want to do that now. Or...
Oh yeah, I wanted to add the poison stat. Sure, why not? Where is the fire, and where can I copy paste everything?
So, will poison be applied to players?
And
do you want it to behave differently?
I'm thinking. If it applied to the player, how would we want it to apply?
I don't know.
Maybe what could be interesting for the player is it could like tick up really slowly, but it doesn't go down until you like clear the room or something.
Maybe.
Or it just goes down really slowly.
I'm honestly not sure. I don't know what would make poison different for the player than fire. I think if we wanted it to be something that could apply to the player, it would have to be justifiably different, and I think something like that could be like reduces the damage of the player, or like it makes them sickly kind of thing, rather than just damages them. But I don't know. I don't know
That
if we
is
want to do
true.
something like that.
Yeah.
Tactics that has type.
So yeah, maybe not have it apply to the player.
Yeah.
Because the main thing with fire is like it's an effect that can go on the ground, so like the player kind of has to be able to get hit by it. I don't even know if poison would be something that you could like spread on the ground, at like poison pools or something.
Yeah, you might be able to. The only thing that's like hold on. The only thing that I would think is maybe why is this not this should be bitching about something. The poison levels feel like they would have something in them that poisons either the player or does something with poison. So whenever we get around to adding enemies and attacks and things for that, I don't know if we would want to add
Maybe,
some sort
yeah.
of poison something to that. I don't
Would
know.
that be hard
I
to
genuinely have no
add
clue.
though? Like
Huh?
if we make the poison just apply to enemies, would it be very hard to make it also apply to player?
No.
Okay, cool.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, because it would just be adding a separate handler for the player and checking a box and then handling it differently in the player's handler.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. There's like, I hate this fucking place.
Yeah, a little bit.
I did want to make documentation on how the effect system works and how you can add your own effect stuff, but I'm sure you'll figure it out. Hopefully. We'll pray. Also, I'm sorry, Bond. I never said anything about what you said earlier, but the IK stuff in Godot is pretty well made, I think. JW might have a little bit more on that.
I had zero clue.
I thought that you did something with IK once.
Absolutely not.
Really? Okay, never mind then. I lied, apparently. Question, JW.
How do I... Oh, if I make this not player specific, I just put in the generic handler.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Question for you, though. Do we want to just by default, like, let's say that you're shooting your needle gun. You would want the... Would you want the type to be pulled directly from the card? Like, without you having to say, like, add poison to this?
Yes.
Okay. Like, always. Like, the op should always have a fire attack.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
I believe so. That could potentially
Okay.
get weird with cards that have... If we end up having cards that have multiple types. I mean, I guess maybe it could have both, but I don't...
Yeah, I mean, that's why it's an array.
Oh, it's an array.
That's
Okay,
what we
yeah,
were-
that's probably fine.
yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
But it'll
'cause it's,
probably be rare for a thing to have multiple types.
Yeah, well, I mean, I was thinking more like you could have, maybe there's like a sticker that's like high rarity that you could just add and like add the scaling to it and add the type to it or whatever. I don't know.
That's a good idea, yeah.
There's also like, maybe there's something that whenever you're attacking, there's a chance for it to turn your attack into fire and to like set fire to enemies or whatever. And I don't know if that would add the attack type of fire. Maybe it would.
I mean, not... I don't know. Sorry, I'm trying
Doesn't
to
know.
figure
No,
out
that's
what
okay.
this is doing at the same
That's
time.
fine.
And I can't focus on one thing at once.
Yeah, you're good.
In the first
That's
place.
okay. I'll code this in the way that I am imagining real quick,
Yeah.
and then because it should be not that
No,
bad.
I cannot focus today.
That's okay.
Well, not... Yeah, not even just...
It's not a
just
today
in
thing, I know. Don't worry.
Yeah.
You didn't have to explain that one to
Yeah.
me. I I already heard that one in my head. Oh yeah, I need to finish my commander deck as well.
True.
You might regret it, to be honest.
Yeah, I
might regret asking me
that's
to-
okay.
I also need to
I had such
buy
bad
more.
draws last night.
Yeah,
That was
kinda.
kind of funny. It was
Yeah,
a
I need
little
to buy
annoying,
more
but like it
Bloomborough, by
was
the
kind of
way.
funny after the fact. I do need to buy more Bloomburrows, but there's a lot of good cards for my Ashling deck in Bloomburrow. I honestly don't like the Bloomburrow lands that much. That's the only thing about it. They're like not my favorite.
I'm a big fan. Obviously, I've talked about how
Yeah,
good I think
obviously.
they look. Ball property. Dude, honestly, the funniest thing from last night was definitely Moaz pronouncing the word library different every fucking time it was said.
That is
Or like,
probably true.
I don't know what's so funny about it, but it was very funny. Oh shit. Wait. Oh, that's a really fun sound. Hold up, I have to pause my music because I need to turn this up and I need to hear this again. That was like really, really good. Oh shit, I don't have enough cards in my hand to be able to do that. JW, can you do me a favor?
But
Sorry to break your concentration. Can you turn the audio on my stream?
there is zero concentration going on right now.
Let me know when you're...
It's on? Mm-hmm. That's really funny.
That's really good.
That is really good.
I'm a very big fan.
It's kind of fire.
So good. What's the fucking... Oh, the soul dispenser also makes like a permanent noise, right?
Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, that's here. Kind of fire.
Everything's better whenever it does the slow motion. Honestly.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, I can't slow motion that, can I? Because it's, I guess I could. I could just, like...
Ew.
I don't like that one. I don't like that one at all, actually. That one makes me feel not happy. That one makes me
Okay,
feel
I'm
very
muting your
bad.
stream. Get me out of here.
Yeah. That one made me feel terrible.
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit, Lytic.
Hey. Yeah, that's true, actually.
So poison will always do the same amount of damage, correct?
Maybe, I don't know. Do we want it to? Probably.
I don't know. No, that's the idea. That's my idea. Is the stacks can get like really high with poison, but like it doesn't really do anything by itself. Like increasing the stacks doesn't increase the damage.
I wonder if we could have poison be one of those ones where it's like, you can get it up to like 50 stacks, and all it does is whenever it ticks down, it'll just like remove a stack once it hits 0, instead of like what fire does, where once a stack goes away, all of it goes away.
Yeah, that was my idea. Is it would like the stacks
unwraps
is
it.
how long it lasts, and then
Yeah,
uh
you could do that. Not
it
against
only does one. So that way you try to get it as high as you can, and then trigger something that does something with however many stacks there are on it. Because that was kind of like the idea with like the needle gun, is it like shoots really fast, so you can apply a lot of poison, but it doesn't do a lot of damage.
Okay, so this is happening inside of the constructor. Nice. Gift card. I would also like to say attack types for card punch. Got a fucking helper method. I have a helper method. Whoa, Foxin, the goat. Let me open up Twitch on my browser because Twitch logged me out on OBS. so I can do a
Is
shout
that
out.
the
You got this.
the
I believe in
person?
you. Huh? The person?
Yeah, the 3D platformer person.
Yeah, he's making
Yeah.
Whiskerwood Vale. He's also just an entertaining person to watch. You should check him out.
Unlike
at
us.
Foxen on Twitch. Also, hello, Quartio. It's very weird saying that name. And I don't know how to describe it other than I've heard people say the name Quartio when watching like TTT videos. And saying hello, Quartio is really weird. But it's very cool. That's the #1 marathon player in A. That's fucking sick. That might be real. Anyways, this is the game that we're working on. We're making stuff in Godot, same as Foxen.
Yeah.
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 Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I don't want to talk to this guy. He pisses me off. Oh, he hurts real bad.
What did I do? What?
Not you, the cat. The cat that goes like...
Oh.
But he's got like... Oh. I
thought you were
keep
talking
forgetting
about
that
me.
these guys are a thing.
Which guys? Oh yeah, I need to remove them. Sorry.
Oh, wait, there's a fourth one. I didn't even notice the little
it's
dickhead there. Is that
Poobert.
Poobert?
Yeah, that's Poobert.
Oh my god.
They didn't respond to my message though, so we can't like legally add them yet. So they don't exist legally.
Little cat with gun. Yeah, dude, he's got some sick ass
Yeah.
gun skills.
I do need to
Oh, you can
figure
even
out.
see the...
I might send them an email or something, but
whenever
or I
I
can just
pull
add
up
them and not tell them, and then they'll sue me later.
Wait, what? Oh, I turned off the music audio, but not the display. Cards go here. They're a little hard to see. Because my dickhead thing was in the way. Turn this thing back on. We stream professionally around here. What was I doing? I was adding card attack types. Do these currently work? I need to add a new method called get damage, or get elemental types. This will return, I believe this is still a float, right? Yeah, card dot elemental types. Let's see. You've been meaning to transition your engine knowledge towards Godot. You worked on a lot of arbitrary engines and used UE4, but you're a little behind the curve now. I mean, maybe. I don't think there's anything inherently wrong with still using UE4. I don't think, at least. I don't remember, what was the most recent game made using UE4? They still, I don't know. Your own rhythm game. Godot does have a lot of really good things for that. Like the audio server has a lot of really good stuff on it.
Speaking of, we still need to add dynamic music, and
That's true,
also
we
we
do.
need to talk to our composer at some point
That's true.
about composing.
Oh, one issue that Godot actually has that I'm kind of, I don't know about upset, is that inherently it doesn't have the ability to output audio to multiple audio devices that I found out about. It's able to get a list of your devices, your input devices and your output devices, and it can output to a device, but you can't have multiple device outputs, which is a little weird, but I think it's something to do with like the API at the like OS level of being like, hey dude, can I output to something else? Maybe we'll get it one day, but yeah, no, Godot definitely has a lot of things for rhythm game stuff. If you haven't tried Unity, I would also recommend Unity. I would also recommend Game Maker. But you know, hopefully you end up going with Godot because I think it's just a neat little engine that has a lot of really cool things on it. For card dot get damage. That's not how I write a for loop. For type in card dot get elemental types. Actually, let me extract this out to a variable because that'll make things a little easier. Card types. Yeah. Is this? Oh no, actually, sorry. You didn't want this to scale with anything. You just wanted this to be like whether or not it has the types. That's okay. So I can do it.
What the heck is poison accumulation time or fire accumulation time? Sorry, I renamed everything.
Give me a second. I'll add card types. So this should invalid argument for that card types not values because you need to be the stat Yeah. Okay, sorry, what's your question?
What is accumulation time?
Accumulation time is the amount of time it takes for something standing in a source of fire to receive one full stack of fire.
Oh, because it applies to enemies as well.
Yes, I don't think that's actually, that code isn't run for players because players have their own handler.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
so I wouldn't need this.
I mean, unless you wanted enemies to get poison over time from like a
This
puddle.
Yeah, I'll keep that in then just in case. Okay.
Yes.
I was
So
wondering
tick
what that was.
time is how often they take damage from the effect.
Yeah.
Drain time is how long it takes for them to lose the effect.
Which is I
I
want
thought
to
there was a
get rid
pause
of.
period, but
Well, this is on that enemy. I think only the player has the pause period, yeah.
oh, maybe that might be right. Yeah. Sagado has music time. Wait, what? It has music time, so you can do the whole playback percent times duration of the song for time in seconds, then BPM divided by 60 beats per second. Really? I know the audio server also has is it not here? I believe we do. You can also do sample type stuff. This is maybe gonna be important at some point. Like you can have it play audio as sample rather than
What
as
is get ratio?
stream. Whereas
Sorry.
time. Get ratio is for the display to show how much the icon should be filled up.
Oh, okay.
You can do the fire effect is set up in such a way so that the
it shows
number
how
is
much
something
time is left on it. Yeah. I see
almost.
what it's doing now. Yeah.
The fire effect is like if you have 5 stacks of fire and you're halfway to the next stack, it would be 5.5 as your value. So if you
No, yeah.
should be.
No, I'm pretty sure it's how long the effect has until it runs out. On the enemies, it 100% is because that's what I'm removing the it running out over time. And
Sorry, what is the it running out over time?
It's fine. I got
what
it.
is
I know what it's doing, and I just wanted to know what get ratio does, and I can figure out what I want for that. I don't even know if I don't even know if poison needs to have like a fill display. If I wanted it just to always be full, I would just return 1, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, we'll do that for now. Hi, Axel. We can hop on gambling at like 9-ish. Remember, Spitty gets tired and wants to end stream earlier.
Oh, did I bind the wrong thing? I totally did.
I think I get what this is doing now. Sorry, I'm just like stupid, and it takes me forever to figure out things. But then once I figure out like most of it, I can figure it out.
Yeah.
Usually, sometimes. We're not hopping on Magic. Maybe.
It's handled by percent still.
But Axel wanted to play Gamble with your friends, so I'll probably do that for a little bit.
Actually, hold on. Let me add something really quickly. Does the player have an audio player on them by chance? Anywhere?
Maybe. Okay, so you hate me? No, I don't hate
Audio
you.
stream player.
It's not
What are
true.
you are audio stream player. This is the footstep temp fix.gd file. That's funny. Holy shit, the spacing in this file is fucked up. You can tell who was in here.
How do I remove a stack? Remove amount?
Just
Stack
yeah.
something? Remove. I just want to remove a stack whenever it ticks.
Yeah, give me a second.
You're good.
Is there a remove amount function?
There is.
Then yeah, remove amount 1.
Okay.
Let me see. So, audio stream player. There's get playback position. Is this? Let me go back to the main view and to the hub so that I don't get. Okay, so playback position currently is 0. If I walk I believe that is the current time. I guess this kind of sucks because this is the world's smallest audio stream set. Yeah, it is. Does it have percent? You said that has percent. Or percent. Float max distance. Oh, that's for 2D audio players. Stream playing, playback type, pitch scale, panning strength, max. Hit playback position. Is this a? I believe that is the. I believe that's the time. So, like, for example, we don't have a physics process in here, do we? No, that's okay. I'll add one for debugging purposes. This is from the music handler, so this should be pointing. So, what the fuck was that?
It was a sneeze. I was sneezing. It probably just sounded weird through my mic.
It did.
It
sounded like you
really
got
weird.
stabbed.
Oh.
What the fuck?
No, I'm okay. What is spread radius and continuous on the effect here? Do I need those for poison?
What the fuck is spread radius?
I don't know. You put it on there.
I don't even think that's being used anywhere.
It
It's also
probably
so hard
isn't, but whatever. I'll just leave
It
it
is
there.
not being used.
Okay.
Well, that's in the fire effect.
Yeah, I'm just copying the fire
Yeah,
effect
yeah,
to
yeah.
the poison effect.
It was
and I
because we were
wanna
gonna
know
have
what's there.
fire effect be able to like spread
were we?
differently.
Okay, yeah. So we'll move that. Is
yeah, yeah.
continuous necessary? What is that?
Continuous is when you apply it. If it's something like an area that's just on the ground that can continuously apply, you. set
Okay,
that
so I
true.
do want that.
Yes.
It's weird that's
I
not
believe.
on the base effect, but so.
Yeah, actually that doesn't need to exist. Actually, that's not being used on the fire anymore either.
Oh, okay.
T. Let's see physics process. So get playback position. There was also what the hell was there? There was where was there was something about the duration. I guess I could just get the stream and then check how long the stream is. Stream.
Okay. So I'm
Time
starting to
packs.
get how the effects work. Yeah, so like no matter how much like explaining you do of how things
Mhm.
work, I will not figure it out until I have to add it myself, and then it will make perfect sense.
Yeah.
Because I'm just like a little dumb.
No, I think that's the normal case actually. I think that's which I don't like calling you normal, but I believe that is
pretty
how
regular.
most people are, is just having an explanation thrown at you doesn't really do much for most people. Also, yes, we do hate you, Moaz. I'm not sorry, but I kind of am. Because that means if JW's hopping on Gamble with your friends, that means we're probably hopping on Magic, which is like kind of the saddest thing in the world.
That's gonna be fire. We're gonna be gambling and playing Magic in the same call at the same time, all at once.
It's like oops, all gambling. Yeah, okay,
Exactly.
so there is. Yeah, so this does return the current playback position of the song. However, you could do. Also, I don't know why the fuck I made my editor look like this. Sorry. You could get the playback position and the length.
Okay, let's see if this works. If this works, actually kind of. I should make a gamble themed deck. Actually, you're so right. That would be a fun deck to build. What's the best like gambling commander? I wonder.
I don't know, man.
It was the Baldur's Gate one that had a lot of dice rolling, right?
Yeah. The Baldur's Gate release definitely had a fuck ton of gambling in it.
Okay, let me know what you find, Moaz.
Okay, yeah, that percent thing works. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, let me.
Yeah.
Where was that print again? That was in
What?
Card composite.
Yeah, card composite.
Just getting rid of the print because it's annoying me.
I should like. What if I added multiple
I'm
save
so
state
locked in right now.
things?
What was that? Oh, see, like,
What if I added
you can
multiple
save
save
multiple save
things?
states? It just saves
Yeah.
it to like an array, so that way you never lose them, and then you can like delete them.
Yeah.
That would be
That way,
alright.
like, I could have like a. Oh, dude, there's people that are in here. I'm learning about the game. Let me load the one that doesn't.
That's
look
actually
like
really
shit and has
smart.
a bunch
Have
of
one that's
cards.
like a bunch of pre-made cards that like have cool stickers and things like that.
Yeah.
Here's what the game
Fuck, let me
would look
think
like
through
if
it
it was
right.
like actually fun.
That means I have to do it, right?
You don't have to.
It's fine. I probably will.
Yeah.
And fuck up.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, fuck. There was a thing I wanted to do with the I keep like getting sidetracked on things.
Uh-oh.
Streaming is sometimes bad for me
What
because
is
I just like. What's up?
Something really funny is happening with the poison. It's like just instantly disappearing, but if you shoot it fast enough, it'll be really tiny. Like it'll get smaller over time.
Are you applying the effect to it?
Yeah.
How much are you applying?
I don't know. 1.
1? Okay. And then if you go back to the poison handler.
Oh, does it instantly tick? Is it instantly ticking and then disappearing? Is that what's happening?
Yeah, tick runs every frame.
No, I mean like the effect ticking.
I don't know what you mean.
Poison handler. Like the tick time is half a second, but does that trigger instantly?
How are you? Well, where are you removing the poison from?
Remove amount.
That's on that. Is there anywhere else that you're removing it?
No.
Update amount.
This is what it was before. I just Actually, is this? What is this on? Yeah, I don't think this is really used for much here. Stacks, that's not used. Yeah, that was just leftover stuff from the fire.
Can you click on the poison handler? I'm gonna put you on screen as well. Sorry if the screen share goes bug in mode. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. Try.
I probably just
sure
did something wrong.
Fire effect handler.
Although it's not even, it's like applying the effect and then instantly removing it before it can even trigger, because it's not dealing the damage.
Yeah, go back to the code. Current tick time is what? Current tick time is greater than or equal to poison tick time. Sorry, I'm looking at this. Where's current burn time being used again?
Yeah, is it this here where it's keyfreeing?
Yeah.
Should I just remove this?
So you've so you're doing if current poison time is less than 0, you free.
That was just left over from the fire. I had no clue what that was doing or if it was necessary.
Yeah, so the fire frees itself on the enemy after an amount of time. So that is doing that as well. And since
there we go, now it's working. Oh, now it's not freeing itself. Okay. So I just need to say if. So instead,
you can do it in the no.
What?
No.
Oh, and like the set stacks in the update stack.
In the
update amount. Okay.
Yeah,
so I can say if current stacks is, we'll say less than 0, just in case.
Less than or equal to 0, probably.
Yeah. Wait.
Is that a less than sign or is that a greater?
Don't worry about it.
No, it's genuinely hard for me to tell because I don't.
Don't worry about it. Why is that so big, too?
I don't know. What did you do? What's the icon that you're using?
It's just the
same as.
It's the regular poison icon. I mean, let me.
You've looked at an hour-long Godot presentation about rhythm integrated music.
It's 8x8.
Jazz.
What is this? It says 15 by 15. Oh wait, this one's exported weird. Yeah.
Yeah, it's because the icon is different than the logo or whatever, the type icon versus the status effect icon are different things.
Oh, did I do the wrong thing?
Yeah. You loaded
icon
the
poison.
Type icon.
Do I not have that imported?
I don't know.
Where is
Artist
that?
man.
That makes sense. I just saw poison and I was like, yeah, that's probably the right thing.
Yeah. If you want help about Godot learning, I believe my Discord's on my Twitch, but there's a lot of really good Discord communities where people just like
Biddies is actually the best.
Are very helpful. That's probably not true. I'm not gonna say it's not, but it's probably not true.
Status effects.
Oh yeah, let me add that thing
Oh,
to
there
the
we go.
debug menu that I was talking
No,
about.
that should be it. Oh, icon poison. Why is that not showing up when I search for poison?
What?
Oh, it
I
is
don't know.
right. Is this it?
Doesn't look
That's
like
saying
it.
it's 8x8. That's not it. It's we want icon.
You can just drag it
poison.
from the fucking thing down there onto the texture.
There we go. There
by
it
the
is.
way.
So we got it. I don't know
Okay.
why it just wasn't showing up in the search when I searched for poison.
Yeah, that looks
Yeah,
good.
there we go. Might change the art on a little bit, but now see, it'll go up, and then it'll just tick one at a time. Might make the tick time even slower.
Yeah. Yeah. So let's do.
I feel like
in the
that
deck
definitely
menu.
feels very different from the fire.
Yeah. I want to add a button in here, which is reload cards.
Like, yeah, if you look at this,
what
it has a
buttons do you
DPS of like
have?
25,
Yeah.
which is pretty bad, but that's like the point. Because now it has like 20 poison stacks, and something that like makes it explode depending on how many stacks it has. Do you
I'll
like
make this
this?
refresh
Oh, you
this.
should use the needle gun. Let me know if you hate the sound on it. It took a little bit of
Maybe, yeah, let me do the
editing because I know you
some
hate
stuff
some of my
ongoing.
sounds, and that's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, also another thing I noticed that I should note down that we'll need to
Mhm.
figure out is the glass gun in like the inventory and stuff. It shows the charges as 1. We should have some way to have it show like the infinite icon or something.
Mm.
I'm not 100% sure how we want to do that since it's not.
Yeah, it's the same way that we do it on the
Weird.
UI.
Yeah.
I would just do it the same way on the UI.
Oh, also, I don't know if you can see it on the stream, but when I hover this card and unhover it, the letters like wiggle a little bit, like
Yeah, it's
after
because
it
the
settles.
viewport size. It's
Oh,
because you have your viewport size, right?
no, it's on high.
It's on high.
Everything
don't
is
know.
high. I don't know. There's always something
Yeah,
weird
it's,
with the
it's just
font,
like
but
it's probably
okay.
just like some snapping of the pixels.
Oh yeah, all of them are
because of,
doing it. Maybe it's just more noticeable
yeah.
because of the color.
It might
Yeah,
be.
they
Yeah.
are. They all kind of do it. That's weird. That's fine. I want to
Perfect.
figure out why these numbers up here are always fuzzy. Because it's always bothers me.
What are you
The
talking about?
Are they fuzzy for you? Like next to the soul bar?
I don't know. Look at my thing and tell me if they look fuzzy because they don't. I don't think they look fuzzy on mine. I'll zoom in and you can look. They look about as crisp as the rest of the.
Yeah, no, mine are fuzzy. I don't know why mine are fuzzy. Like the other numbers aren't. Although the
If you
one
full
up
screen the game, is it
here,
still fuzzy?
if I full screen it. But the other ones aren't, which is the weird thing. Yeah, they still are.
No, I don't know. Are they using monospace? Let me
Might not.
stop doing this to me, you fucking evil
Also,
demon.
these two numbers look like they're different sizes.
Yeah, stop talking, evil demon. Don't stop talking, but I need to. I'm trying to code something, and
yeah, that's.
I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go do this, and then I'm like, oh wait, no, hold up, I need to do this. I have to like keep fucking pulling myself back to the code that I want to do.
Yeah, that's okay.
Refresh cards. So what I want to do is I want to say for card in card bb dot usable cards. Do these have the resource name? Resource path. Let me print that out. Let's card dot resource path.
Wait, what happens if I add relic? Spicy noodles. Oh, that's sick. Could try both of them.
Shift RCF. That didn't work because I didn't change those. Lol.
Yeah, the ratio on the fire is like how long it has until it like disappears.
Yes. Well, kind of. It is used for the display of the thing, but it's like it had some shit that it needed to do. Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, shit, I accidentally hit the... Oh, no, this is where... Right, yeah. Okay, so this does have all of these. So what I'll do is I will say for all of these, say resource loader dot load card dot resource path with the type int of nothing and the cache mode of replace deep. So what this should do is if I go to card AK-47, first I'll add one to my hand. So this is the AK. It has lightning and fire. If I clear my deck, card AK-47. We also need to check. I don't think the AK is copyrighted, but maybe it is. We should like double check on that one if you haven't.
Yeah, probably. So I don't know why
So if
my
I were
game
to
is like lagging a bunch right now.
Let me add Doomstat to both of these. And then if I re-add the AK, it doesn't actually have that scaling because it needs to be refreshed. But if I do CF, it should refresh all of them. Yes! And now it works.
Why is my AK currently adding 11 fire to everything?
Because you have 10 spicy noodle, I don't know, man.
No, but that should only apply 1 fire. Is it all of my attacks?
Lol, it is adding... I added the multiply by level, I guess, on accident whenever I was changing it.
Yeah.
It's just, there's a times level in there that you can get rid of.
Okay. On spicy noodles?
Yeah. It would also be on the other one that adds fire, and I don't remember what it was. There's something else that you had that was adding fire that I changed. Okay. Let's check the subject view really quickly. So, the thing that I was talking about before, how I can clear like the scaling, save it, and then if I add an AK, you can see that it still has the scaling that I had before. Do you see how it didn't update this thing? Do you know what I'm saying? JW?
Yeah. No. I don't.
Okay, so I had 3 scalings on this, and then I removed 2 of them, and I added the card to my hand, and it still has these 3 scalings, so I have to restart the game, right?
Oh, yes.
However, if I do C, and then there's this refresh cards button.
Oh, okay. I see.
This will reload all of them so that now it has the correct scaling. It doesn't update cards in your hand because those are like different. But if I clear my deck and then add this card back, it has the correct scaling.
Okay. Yep. That makes sense.
I'm also going to add that to relics as well because it'll just be nice to be able to have something like
I'm
that
only seeing the spicy noodles as the one that has times level on it.
Okay, I might have just fucked something up then. There's a decent chance of that. Many such, yeah. So let's go to
such way.
Debug menu.tscn. I genuinely love this debug menu so much. It's so sad to think that this game could be developed currently without this debug menu had I not started working on it.
Yeah. Just know that whatever other games I make are not going to have debug menus.
Okay. Sure. If you think that's the truth, then you can keep believing that.
Yeah. I'm just not going to add debug menus so that way you get really annoyed and then add debug menus to them for me.
Well, I'm not going to. I mean, who knows? I'm probably not working on games with you. Who knows? I don't really want to do that.
Oh, we know.
You say they're not going to have debug menus until you go to work on them and you're like, man, I really wish I had a quick way of doing this.
Yeah.
And then you're like, fuck, dude.
Yeah, then I'm going to open Dante's 9 and I'm going to copy debug menu.pscn.
Good luck on that one. This has got some evil shit in it.
Yeah. I'll make it better.
Yeah, for sure, dog. are we spamming the... UK dog? You good? JW?
But yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. I looked over and I see that you're talking to the guy who makes really gross sounds over and over.
It's not that bad. It's nice. Nice.
Yeah, for sure.
Gonna do a needle gun only run. It's gonna be terrible because it's gonna do no damage.
That's great. Why is there an error? What in the fucking world?
Actually, what?
Failed loading a resource. Hard SMG.
Do the effects? What do the effects set their source as? Like poison. What would its source be when it's like dealing damage?
As it's dealing damage, it has no source.
Okay. Oh, what the hell? Why do these guys have?
Yeah, they... What? They have lasers. You wanted lasers. You said add lasers to them, and I gave them lasers.
Can they hit me?
Yeah.
No, okay, they just weren't earlier.
Yeah. Yeah, they can hit you.
On a fire.
Mm-hmm. It's quite cool.
Also, I just realized this is adding 2 stacks of poison every time I hit them, which is weird.
Is it?
Oh.
What crashed?
I don't know. Let's see.
Let's find out.
Non-existent function create attack in base nil.
Uh-oh.
Guard instance dot create attack. What?
Who is...
Bird box component.
Bird box.
Owner is card ability.
What? The fuck? Hold up. Just do me a favor. I'm gonna say this right now, and I want you to listen to me. Do not hit the close game. Do not hit the play again. Do not hit the continue button.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. All right. I'm gonna put this on screen, and we're gonna go through this. So click on self in the bottom, like the, and then go to hover path. What is this?
Oh, it's salmon.
I can't read it. Oh, it's
salmon. I have the salmon item.
Oh, you have the salmon item.
Yes, which spawns salmon.
Salmon are card abilities?
No. I believe it sets its source to the card that it spawns. No, it doesn't set it to the source that it's...
No, go back to the editor. So what's the... If you hover path, can you tell me exactly where this... Like, what's the hierarchy of this?
Sub-viewport,
underneath...
room 1, salmon, herd box component.
Salmon. Alright, so salmon dot
room 1 salmon.
TSCN. Salmon is in fact a card ability, yes. Alright, salmon is not a card... Yeah, salmon is a card ability. Herd box is attached to it.
Yeah, but it can work
okay, I see what's
having
going
a
on.
card.
Yeah. Yes, so this crash will happen on my side as well. Okay, we're good.
Okay.
We're good.
What's the issue?
The issue is that it's expecting it to have a card attached to it, but it doesn't.
But shouldn't you be able to spawn a salmon? And it just works?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So why isn't it working?
Because of the changes that I made, so the cards, whenever you create attacks, they
this
pull
is
them...
stuff with the new attack stuff. Okay.
Yeah, this is the new attack stuff. Oh, that's an interesting one, actually. Hold on. Is this the same salmon that spawned from the salmon portal?
Yes, they're exactly the same.
They're exactly the same.
They're just designed in a way that they can just be spawned from anywhere and they work. Oh, interesting.
Yeah, that was from this salmon.
Is there an easy way to fix that or no?
Yeah. I need to think about this because I didn't think that this would be running as often as it is, because that's a problem potentially. Because the thing that I said where I wanted the attacks to be created once per card usage rather than every time something is spawned from a card being like whatevered. Yeah. So I just want to make sure that this isn't doing something weird with that, which it might be. We'll find out. Okay. That
We making millions? No, we're making bugs.
Yes.
More specifically, I'm making bugs, and I'm making Bitlit to fix them. I'm shipping so many things I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Like shipping, like physically shipping, or shipping like shipping games.
Like releasing.
Yeah, because I do know you are doing a lot of game stuff right now, which is cool. Shipping games, let's go. I saw the fishing one. Are there any other ones that you're publicly working on now?
You can keep doing whatever you're doing, by the way, JW. You don't have to wait.
Okay, I mean, I was just messing around with the game to see.
Sorry, I told you the don't do the thing. I forgot to tell you to you could like close the game.
I also wanted to see if the salmon triggered the poison, which I don't think they would, but that would be kind of fun. Or no, if the poison triggered the salmon was the one I wanted to see.
Oh no, they shouldn't.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, that'd be a little insane if it did. Mining and Dwarves Orb Breaker is on Steam. Let me look.
Mining Dwarves.
Yeah.
Dwarf Fortress reference.
Mining and Dwarves. Whoa. Rock. So should I just make an incremental game after this and make $1 billion? Is that the solution?
Damn, bro, that's crazy.
What?
No,
What do you mean that's crazy? This does look pretty cool.
It's got the sauce.
It's got the sauce. I am good at the sauce, so.
Look at that, dude. Look at that, dude.
And that's the only thing I'm good at, so.
I say, oh, it's got the sauce, and JW goes, it does quite have the sauce. Like, you can...
What? What
you
did
said,
I do?
It has the sauce. It does, in fact, have the sauce, I say. I don't know, just the way that you said it, it's just very, you're very white. But, like,
okay.
insanely so. You know what I mean?
Yeah, for sure. This actually looks kind of cool. I like the idea of this one more, even though it doesn't have a trailer.
Okay, so did that create a new attack?
I mean, even minus the money, I feel like an incremental game would just be fun to make just because it's like so simple. Relatively.
Shit.
To like other things. But I know absolutely nothing about them. I literally haven't played a single incremental game ever. Simple is sometimes the hardest. That is true, yeah. But yeah, I honestly have no clue what I want to do after this. Not that that'll be anytime soon, but obviously more game dev stuff, but probably want to do something actually more business focused and like market research stuff. That's bad phrasing, but basically something that will let me actually make money and live, because I don't want to get a real job.
True. Real.
Not that I don't think this one will be successful, I just think probably could have optimized a little more if I thought about it.
I think this is very funny. I'm sorry. Can you look at this really quickly, JW?
Yeah, let me look. What am I looking at?
I'm gonna spawn some salmon, and I just want you to see. Let's see if I can get one to do it.
Null.
Watch this. Watch this salmon.
Oh, is it going to do?
It just goes flying, and I want you to just watch
really
for that.
Funny.
They go fucking launch like just across the entire fucking
Is that just because
world
of how I
so
coded
good.
it? Isn't it like when it?
It bounces off of the thing using like the bounce function in the physics, which if it's a
Yeah,
slope, it
that's really funny.
like accelerates it. It's
I
very
didn't even
good.
think about that. That's great.
Big fan.
What do you mean this game's
Ignore
gonna
the
print? I
932
don't know
default
about
rare or
that. I
something.
need to do. The main thing is like marketing. If like once we get to like a demo and next fest and stuff, I think we'll have a better idea of how well it'll do. Because right now it's just like we get a few wish lists a day from whatever marketing stuff I do, which is not very much. And like obviously no natural traffic from Steam, so I don't really know like if people actually like it or not. It's basically just like me shoving it at people and hoping they like it. Which generally people do. It's just I feel like it's not a super widely appealing game, so it makes it a little harder to market easily on like shorts and stuff. When do I get a playtest key? Literally right now. It's on. There's a playtest on Steam. It is like quite outdated. We're reworking a bunch of stuff, but like, if you want to get an idea of how it works, there is a free playtest on Steam, and there's no like requirement to get in. You just automatically get it. When is it reworked? I do want to have a playtest, hopefully within like a week or two, maybe. That's like a unlikely. I always hope that things will happen faster than they do, because we're slow and lazy. But yeah, week or two maybe.
I'll just add the safeguard for now. I will put a to-do here that is
Sure, I will add you on. It is the playtest is on Steam, but I can message you. Try to remember to message you when we update it.
Yeah.
Let me find you.
Okay, that should be fixed, I think.
I don't
Hopefully
think
we'll
I'm
find
already friends with you. I think I'm friends with Aramis, but not you. EK. Darby.
Yeah, 'cause this doesn't crash anymore.
Mr. Darby. There you go.
Darbyan,
Darbian.
like the Super Mario Bros. Speedrunner on the NES.
You
I don't know,
might
that's maybe a little
like
too niche.
people-
Sorry, my
a
fault.
little too niche.
Yeah. Sorry, my autism came out a little bit too strong there. I was told to load the bases and I hit a home run. My fault.
All right.
He doesn't get this one either.
I don't get this one either. I don't know what baseball is.
Yep, he's never heard of baseball. Okay, what else what was I doing, JW? What else am I doing?
That's a good question.
Video.
Elemental item types.
That's done.
Do they affect the elemental affinity?
They should. Yeah.
Okay. Damage types on hey, you got that?
Yep.
Okay. In that case, how would I add that to say the salmon item? If I want that to trigger on salmon, relic salmon.
What do you mean trigger on?
I want this to only trigger on lightning damage hitting. So would I just say like if well it has the attack here, so would I just say you can go and push it up and I'll figure it out.
Yeah.
That way I can see what you're doing and I don't have to just like guess.
It's like pretty straightforward. It'll the attack has a function that is like has whatever.
Yeah.
And you can just like pass in the type.
Sounds good.
Hopefully. We'll find out. If not. I'm also passing up the safeguard for the thing that you just had, the issue.
Okay.
I'm also pushing up to change this because fuck you.
Sure. And I may stream soon because I have to gamble with my friends.
Yeah, that's true. With your friend.
With my friend. Maybe
Singular
friends.
friend.
Hypo might join.
Oh yeah, that was the one friend I meant. Because it was Axel as well, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you're
so
right. Just one friend, yeah. Yeah.
Elemental attack stuff. Yeah, you said this the curse words. He's always saying curse words. He's always like 6-7.
6-7. Sorry.
Yeah, see. Anyways, there you go. It's pushed up. Good luck. Good luck.
Okay, I got this.
I should like hella make sure that works.
Can't you not wait for Dante 9 to release in 2 years? I mean,
can't wait
there
for
are
Dante's
unresolved
Infinity release.
conflicts in the working directory. Stop lying to
It's
me.
because of there are.
No, there aren't.
Yep.
Where?
I don't know. Didn't you merged SMG? SMG's merged. You haven't committed that though.
Oh, do I have to commit it for it to work?
Yeah, whenever you merge something, you have to like commit it.
Oh,
You don't have to
okay.
commit you don't have to commit to everything, but like specifically SMG because it has a merge conflict. It's not considered resolved.
There you go. What? 5 conflicts. Oh, it's this. Yeah, I know what it is.
Yep. It's the card composite file.
Yeah.
Because
So
I
much
hate the way that you wrote that
junk in
code, so I
here.
made it the slightest amount
So
better.
I should accept current change,
No.
incoming change.
Yeah.
Okay.
All I did was I dragged out the thing into a variable called elemental types instead of doing instance.card.elementaltypes.has.
Okay. That's literally fine, but whatever.
It's not. It's evil as fuck is what it is.
I am a little evil, but that's okay.
JW, I bet you've never even played Dark Cloud 2 for the PlayStation 2.
I don't even know what a PlayStation 2 is.
See? See what I'm talking about? Oh shit, apparently I lied about something, lol. Wait, what? Attempted to append array of a type of type. Oh my god, I'm stupid. I'm stupid and dumb. So stupid and dumb. Alright, I fixed it. Lol. I'm gonna have to commit one more thing up, sorry. You won't have to restart the game though.
Wait, what did you do? Did you mess something up?
It's fine, yeah.
Oh, you're so evil.
You're right. Oh no, there's so no. No, you pushed changes. Fuck.
What did I do?
What needs to be fixed? Oh, card AK-47, get the fuck out of here, dude. I don't care. Just pull the changes. Operation pull my finger. Alright, there you go. You're safe to pull.
I'm
changes.
pulling it.
Yeah.
So I go here. And then, oh, it's not gonna like yell at me that stuff is new? Okay.
No, it was just one file that I changed.
Oh, okay.
Like I just changed like a line of code to save keys instead of values.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So this should be, yeah, these guys, this has a fire attack on it. The op should also have fire attack. Correct. And brick
I guess
doesn't.
I want to change Salmon Storm.
Is it false?
Salmon. Relic. Salmon Storm.
Relic Salmon Storm?
No, that's not what it's called. Relic Salmon.
Why'd you
know
say
what I
Relic
said.
Salmon Storm? Why'd you say Relic
Don't
Salmon
worry
Storm?
about it.
Joe Biden.
Joe Biden. Sorry.
Why did you say Relic Salmon Storm?
Has
Holy shit, dude. There's modern art on my other screen right now. Fuck, I need to take a screenshot, thank you. I don't know what it is about this. Look at this modern art.
Wait,
It's
is
so
the
beautiful.
type... Why does it look like that? Is it just lightning stat? Is the type lit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. I thought I made it clear enough by the way the name was stat type.
Well, it just says has type, so like...
Yeah, it has type and the parameter name is stat type.
Well, I didn't see that, because obviously I don't pay
You
attention to
should. What?
things.
What do you mean you didn't see it?
I mean,
Whenever you
it
go to
was
type
there. I didn't see it.
Yeah, like it just says like stat type. Jeez, yeah, whatever. Man,
Have you met me? I like literally don't see anything.
This is true. Up on tabletop? Dogs greater than cats? Do you want to be like build?
Yeah,
What the hell?
maybe. So we got needle, which is not lightning. And then we have...
Mhm.
Oh, which one is lightning? SMG is lightning.
G probably, yeah.
And then we give us a few salmon. So let's see if we do this. No salmon. And if we do this, salmon,
Yeah, dude. See?
that's kind of fire.
Yeah, shit's easy, dude. I be like
Yeah.
making shit work. Has been nuked. Yeah, dude.
I really like the needle gun actually.
I mean, I'm not gonna nuke you for having like a wrong opinion, unless that opinion is like Unreal Engine is a good game engine. Can't see Schlorp.
Oh, am I on Vidivision? My bad, gang. My
Are you
bad.
Oh my god, I'm not even doing
No,
anything.
sorry,
I'm
I was
just sitting
scrolling
here waiting.
Instagram earlier, so I had to put you on delivery.
Oh my god, he be doing.
It's
this
okay.
shit.
I was like looking for marketing inspiration, you know.
Yeah, for sure.
But anyways, lazy, we changed stuff. So now there's damage types. So I have, where'd it go? Needle gun, which is poison, as you can see with a little tag. And then when I shoot things with this, it'll deal poison. It specifically because of this gun, it will poison things. Not all poison damage poisons things.
Mhm.
It's a little confusing. We probably need to figure out a good way to make sure that doesn't get confused. But it's probably fine. People will figure it out.
Well, it probably. I mean, do you have anything in the description that says applies a poison on hit?
Not currently, but it will.
Yeah. I mean, we could take the magic approach and add like what the fuck is it? Like keywords. Call it like toxic, and then it's like in parentheses applies poison on hit.
That could be cool. But also we now have since we have damage types, certain items will only trigger on certain damage type hits. So the salmon here will only trigger on lightning damage type hit. So now this will give me a bunch of salmon, but then if I switch to the needle gun, it won't give me any salmon because it's poison type.
It's very
But-
easy to see that it's not spawning salmon, despite the fact that there are 50 salmon on the screen.
Yeah, and then if I get me like, I think this one's lightning as well. Yeah. If I do this, it'll give me a
I
bunch
guess that makes sense. Yeah.
of salmon as well. And then
Wait, the
this
rapier
one.
slows down time, right?
A little bit, yeah. It sounds kind of weird. I should probably have a not slow down time, but that's okay.
Correct. Yeah, I thought that we got rid of that at some point, but I just saw it happening on your screen. I was like, holy shit,
Yeah.
it slows down time.
But either way, yeah. A poison doesn't summon
JW.
salmon? Yes. Poison does not summon salmon. This item only
JW.
triggers when you hit things with lightning damage. Yes.
Do me a
What?
favor. Clear your deck. Shift
Uh-huh.
RCC.
Yeah.
Add a card.
Uh-huh.
I want you to add Beehive and Rapier.
Oh, okay. This is gonna be funny, isn't it?
Yeah, set your mana to infinite if you haven't.
It already is.
Oh yeah. Okay, and then hold Rapier and just spam, like hold it down.
This sounds so funny.
It's good. It's good.
And yeah, we'll definitely have items that will like summon things when you hit things with poison damage. It just won't be the salmon. Because basically you'll generally want to build into like one or two different types. So that way when not every item will necessarily be useful at all times. Because if this triggered on all type hits, then you would pretty much just always want to pick it because it'd be really good just that when you hit anything, it spawns salmon. But if it's only lightning, then it really only works well if you have a decent number of cards that deal lightning damage.
The hitbox on this is not as generous as I feel like it should be.
On what? Yeah, it probably. Yeah, you're right. I've wanted to rework this a little bit.
Oh yeah. The hitbox is like hella off.
Yeah.
I also feel like this itself, as it goes out, could have a hitbox, like the
What good?
thing, so that as you're moving away. Oh yeah, having this thing slows down time is ooh.
Yeah, it feels really gross. Yeah.
No, the hitbox is actually so not generous at all.
Yeah. So I need some work.
It's a very cool card idea at the end of it. Let's see. What other?
And sorry, I forget. Did you add the critical chance and critical
Yep.
damage? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Where do I change those?
What do you mean? Where do you change them for what?
Like,
What are you trying to
if I want to change the default value or if I want to add like
player data?
player data. Okay.
Player data is where the current critical damage is. If you want to add critical stat, you can either add it to the card or to the player.
Okay, so it's here. So crit chance by default is 20% and damage is 200%. Okay.
Oh shit. Wait,
Yeah.
hold on.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it doesn't matter actually, but I feel like that should actually probably be above everything there. But
Maybe.
maybe
The other
fine.
thing is this may also we may also want a different place to put this, or I'm not sure how we want to do it.
Why?
Because if we have like decks that give you different starting crit chances or crit damages, I'm not sure where we would set that.
There.
Okay, sure. I just
Because player, this is the like the whenever you add something to the player, whenever you do something to the player in like the grand context of like not needing a reference to the player, like whenever we move between levels, this takes care of re-adding the relics to the player.
Oh, so it does this like every time. Okay.
Yes, this is like a persistent thing.
Yeah, so
whenever
if
we
we had,
restart the
like,
game, this
a-
gets reset up.
If
This
we had
is,
like a current deck variable in here or something, it could pull from that. Okay. Yeah, that makes
Yes.
sense.
Yeah, register player is called every time you move to a new level, which includes the first time you drop
Yeah.
into the level.
So we could say like we could have a resource that's like the deck I don't know if it'd be a
Yes.
resource or something. Probably a resource that would
Probably a
store
resource.
like the crit chance, crit damage, all that stuff. And then
Yeah.
whenever it
or-
runs this, it would just say current deck dot crit chance equal to whatever. Or we could even have I'm not sure how
Probably
practical that would
modifiers.
be. But yeah,
would
it'd
say
probably just be
probably
like a
like
list of
properties.
yeah, exactly. A list of properties that it would go through and change depending on the deck.
Yep. And if the property's not present, it could just use default or whatever.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, that's so this also doesn't as you can see on lines 78 and 81, we are getting the component off of the player.
Yeah.
So if you wanted to add crit chance to the player, you would do that by getting the player's crit chance property and adding a source to it.
Yeah, okay. Cool. So I think the default should be like 10%, and the default damage should be maybe like
Yeah, I mean, do whatever you want with it.
25%, 150.
That sounds not a lot. I would say at least 150.
Yeah, well the thing is
125
it
sounds
should be
ass.
low to start because you're not always building into crits.
Yeah, but a crit should still feel kind of good. I feel like. Like-
Yes.
Like if a crit was set to 125%, that is not very much more damage. Like that's
I'm opening Saphiria. Actually, do I have the... I just want to see what their thing is. Because that obviously is
Okay.
whatever is correct.
yeah, for sure.
I have a screenshot of it somewhere down in here.
Opening this up on main monitor while streaming is crazy work, but
Yeah, it is. I know, I'm so crazy. Oh, that's my personal information.
yeah, no, opening this up on stream is kind of crazy
I'm
work.
just kidding. Twin, it's not one gamble. Yeah, we gamble soon.
I'm just kidding. I'm
Okay,
just
yeah,
kidding.
crit damage is 50%, critical chance is... this is 0%, but that's because the character I'm playing. So yeah, 150 sounds
Yep.
probably good. Yeah, I had to make
Yeah.
sure that Saphiria agreed
Yeah,
with what you were saying
125
before I
sounds
changed
like
it.
fucking pathetic crits. At that point, like it just
Yeah. I mean, I guess the
Shouldn't be
crit
negative.
chance could also be really low to start.
I think 10% is fine.
Yeah,
probably.
10% is probably fine, but yeah.
Guard type shit.
I mean, I think in Saphiria, it might start at 0, or it might start at like 5. It's like really low. I'm pretty sure it starts at 0. It's a
Yeah,
crit
you don't have
chance.
to copy Saphiria as well.
Yeah, but. Yeah, you're right.
Totally.
You're right.
I think we should just my
I think-
potential idea for this is I think
Yeah.
that we play around with it and find what feels best and work.
No,
off
I
of
think we should
that.
just copy Saphiria. No, you're right.
I guess that's true. They already figured it out. Might as well.
They did.
Oh, that was weird. That felt weird.
Anyways, I do need to go gamble with my friend, so
I thought you said Hypo was maybe joining.
I need to maybe go play with my friend. Let me go and ping Hypo.
Dude, I love box boosting so much. It's so stupid and fun. Like, you go so high. Wait, it's the box. Oh, yeah, the box does bounce off the wall. I forgot about that.
Okay. Are you still working on stuff?
No.
Okay.
I'm boxing across
Good
the
night,
hub.
everybody.
That's the whole thing.
No,
That's
I'm
just
just kidding.
everything.
Yeah, it's everything. It's over. It's all over.
Dude, box
all
boosting
over
goes
with
crazy,
me.
man. It's so fun.
It is kind of fun, yeah. It's a little stupid, but it's fun. We
It's also
should
fun
make
'cause,
the box like really good for something. I don't know what, but moist bitty ending. What does that mean?
Moist bitty ending is crazy. I don't know what that could ever
I mean
mean, but I
moist
don't like it.
JW. What are we saying?
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Critical. If you needed a simple idea explained to you, but it has to include penis, that's my videos.
Okay. Anyways,
Fucking terrible, man. That's terrible.
I need to go gamble, so
Yeah.
good night, everybody.
Anyways, all right. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you guys for hanging out. We will be back on Thursday at 6:30 p.m. EST, where we will be doing more game development. We do we do want to have a playtest update in the next week. Apparently, this is news to me, but maybe
a week or two, probably. I mean, I just want to have like
yeah.
the elemental stuff for people to mess with and see how they like it.
Yeah. All right. But anyways, we will catch you guys later. Good night.
Bye bye.